from the controller standpoint. So that's kind of what I'm kind of going for right now. And then of course I'll try, assuming I get some confidence.
Hey, I know you.
Now, one of the things you do, guys, is first of all, if you put something new.
Guys, I'm binge watching myself in my new bar shed. Yes, check it out.
Do you lie awake at night? Are you afraid to turn out the lights? Is there something you're scared of? What's there out in the dark? Make sure to keep all your windows locked. Do you surrender? You try to stay awake. These walls you can't escape. Here's one for the lonely hearts, for the ones that fear the dark. You better run out of here. Bet you can't look the other way. Here's one for the broken road. That's the only one you know. You better run out, truth or dare. Get me out, take me anywhere but here. Oh, anywhere but here. Wanting something good to come, waiting for things to run away from. Are you just hiding? Yeah, walking into the fire, talking like you never die, like you're immortal. You try to stay awake. These walls you can't escape. Here's one for the lonely hearts, for the ones that fear the dark. You better run out of here. Bet you can't look the other way. Here's one for the broken road. That's the only one you know. You better run out, truth or dare. Get me out, take me anywhere but here.
I am so appreciative of all of you that have walked through with me on this journey. I mean, it is such a long journey. Remember, we started with just this small shed, and that sun basically on the front of it, that old 20-year-old shed. It was there was a lot of thought that went into this. Check out the lights up here. Now, I'll show you just in a second here a nighttime shot. Bam. Yes, very festive. Later and bye. Glorious, isn't it? But simple lighting system. Glows gloriously. But look at how this all worked in. Look at how the metalwork basically blends in with the stone. We did it very simple, so we just faced it. But pretty amazing. Now, some of you guys were worried about my GFI, so I finally went in and put it in. But of course, we have the USB ports there as well, so that's basically linked into there. So we've got GFI. We also put in the Traeger. I also put in the power source for the Traeger grill right there. So we'll be plugging. I'll be clearing this area. Probably another project where I put in a paver floor here for the Traeger. So the Traeger will sit right here, and I'll level this little mound off. But door handles turned out very nice. See, we kept the shed rustic. Kept the inside. Just remember, it's the inside of a shed. But I am just so happy at how this turned out. Just amazing. Added a few. Repurposed a lot of material. Put shelving. There's all my old plumbing supplies up there. This is still a work in progress in here. I'm going to be, doing miscellaneous things to kind of keep this clean and organized. Got to get rid of things, and it's tough. We got the lights that turned out just amazing. So, and of course the glorious countertops. Now these will be stained, but this project's pretty much done. Of course the TV I had it on. I've got a sound system that actually is that I'm going to be building a small shelf right here. So we'll have the middle channel, a sound system right here, and then I've got a subwoofer with a 10-inch sub that will just sit on the countertop right here, and we'll plug it in right there. It sounded so good last night. I had that thing thumping. But there it is. The big build, finally done. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. I know it wasn't drones, but hey, there you go. You got a drone. Guys, I haven't flown this ever since I started this project, so it's time that I get that puppy in the air. I'm actually going to be doing a video with this and the Mavic Mini real soon, so be ready for that. Did you know they also dropped the Autel Evo 2 Pro $100? So check that price out. It's down to $1,600. They want to move those puppies out, can't you tell? I knew they'd bring the price down. But for Dad Random and the big build, later and bye. Man, there's just nothing on TV tonight. Gosh. Alright, let me change channel here. Hey. I know this guy. Look at this. Check this out. Yes.
What do you think? Colors from China. I think he went for some trouble. I can see his eyes, like he's a little concerned. Especially for an expensive drone. But I guess we won't fly very high today. And really what our goal today is to check with these new propellers.
Yes, Dad Random.
What does it feel like from the controller standpoint? So that's kind of what I'm kind of going for right now. And then of course I'll try, assuming I get some confidence.
Hey, I know you.
One of the things we did, first of all, put something.
Guys, I'm binge washing myself in my new bar shed. Yes, check it out. Look at that. We've got a Yamaha sound system. We've got a Sharp 65-inch 4K TV, and all the block work is totally done. One thing we do have to buy.
You better run out, truth or dare. Get me out, take me anywhere but here. Here's one for the lonely hearts, for the ones that fear the dark. You better run out of here. Bet you can't look the other way.
Thank you. Please subscribe, like. Guys, hey, skills. But we're back to drones, guys. It's time for drones. Later.
Afraid to turn out the lights? Is there something you're scared of?